Hello, my friends. Welcome back to No Pause English. I'm Emma, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, I want to talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with at some point: freezing when it's time to speak. You can understand what people are saying. You can watch YouTube videos. You can listen to podcasts. You can even read articles without too much difficulty. But the moment somebody asks you a question, nothing comes out, and your mind goes blank. I know that feeling very well. And for a long time, I thought my English just wasn't good enough. I thought I needed more vocabulary, more grammar, more practice. So I kept studying. But even as my English improved, I still found myself freezing in conversations. And that's when I realized something important. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. The problem wasn't that I didn't know enough English. The problem was that I wasn't practicing the skill of speaking. To understand why, let's talk about two important parts of language learning: input and output. Input is everything you receive in English: watching movies and YouTube videos, listening to podcasts, reading books. All of these help your brain understand English better. And output is when you actually use the language. This is where your brain starts producing words, speaking, writing, answering questions. And here's where many learners get stuck. They spend most of their time on input and very little time on output. Just because you've heard a word many times doesn't mean you can immediately use it in conversation. Your brain needs practice using that word in a real conversation. That's why you can understand almost everything in English, but still struggle to answer a simple question. Not because you don't know English, but because you're trying to perform a skill that you haven't practiced enough. So, how do you fix it? You need to start training output. Not perfectly, not for hours every day, just consistently. One thing that helped me was describing things around me out loud. Simple sentences. I'm sitting at my desk. It's raining outside. I'm drinking coffee. It sounds simple, but it forces your brain to create English instead of just consuming it. Another thing that helped was answering simple questions without giving myself time to think. What am I doing tomorrow? What did I eat today? How do I feel right now? I would answer immediately. No translating, no planning, just speaking. At first it felt uncomfortable, but the more you practice producing English, the easier it becomes for your brain to access the language in real time. So, if you're struggling with speaking, remember this: you don't need more grammar or vocabulary. You need more opportunities to use what you already know. And that's exactly why I created a 21-day challenge. Not to teach you more English, but to train your brain to speak it. Every day you answer questions, repeat sentences, and practice speaking out loud. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to build the habit of responding in English without translating and without overthinking. Because the more you use English, the easier it becomes to access it when you need it. Because speaking English isn't something you learn by watching, it's something you learn by doing. Remember, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to speak without freezing. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And if you have ideas for topics you want to practice, leave a comment. We're building this together. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video here at NoPause English Lab.